Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove a debit or credit card from Temu. Let's get started. In a previous video, I showed you how to download your Temu order invoice. First, open the Temu app and go to your account by tapping the account icon at the bottom center of the screen. Next, go to the top and tap on the gear icon. Now go to the Your Payment Methods section. Here you will see all your saved cards and other payment methods, such as PayPal. I am going to remove my Visa card, so I will tap on Edit and Out. You will see two options: edit the card details or remove the card. Tap on Delete Card. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you want to delete the selected card. Choose a reason for removing it and confirm. And that's it. Now you know how to remove a payment card from Temu.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.